Hey guys, we're doing the teams for the 3 box break. Random is live, 8:03:51 p.m. Melbourne time. Dice roll for the participants 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Yoink. Save that place there. Copy that one. Yeah, we go to the teams. We go to the teams. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 10 again. Yeah, 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 yeah. Go again. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9 and 10. Yeah. My printer's making noise. Random complete, and the teams are itchy. Mitch with Clippers, Johnny Deegan Knicks, Nick Powell Lakers, Sean Thon Mavericks, Marcus Alot Raptors, Carlos Paulino Bulls, Johnny Deegan Bucks, Johnny Deegan Sixers, Brent Francis Celtics, Marcus Alot Rockets, Mick Ashton Warriors, Albie with the Jazz, Daryl with Pistons, Albie with Pelicans, Johnny Deegan with Kings and Spurs, Albie with the Hawks, Shane Trebley with Hornets, Adrian Javasi Grizz, Jeffrey Elliott Nuggets, Graham Taylor Nets, Carlos with the Heat, Johnny Deegan with the Pacers, David Charles with Wizards, Jules with Thunder, Alvaro with the Magic, Sean Thon with Cavs, Harry with Blazers, Javasi with Suns, and Aaron Spence with the Wolves. Copy that. Yoink. And there is the list there. It is 8:06, 9:10 p.m. Melbourne time.